Hi, my name is Desmond Edem Eklu. You can simply call me D, and also the D Global is my brand name. I want to welcome you especially onto this channel on YouTube. This is a place where I have put together content to address certain needs in society. Of course, my background is in education. I train as a teacher, and about 10 years ago when I started this journey to train as a teacher, I knew that I was just going to be doing more than teaching in the classroom. I'm going to be doing much, much more than that. So if you're meeting for the first time, I'm an award-winning author. I write books and I also train people. I teach people life applicable skills. I teach people high income skills that can also help them to be financially stable in life so they can pursue their vision, they can pursue their purpose with that zeal, with that passion, without worrying about finances and live a happy life. And so that's what I'm doing on this channel. More importantly, I have skills and expertise in digital marketing, building software, and then also advertising or social media marketing and advertising. That is my field, copywriting and all of that. That's where I have been in the past 10 years. So I want to use this opportunity to actually, put a lot of content out there that will help as many youths as possible. I believe that this is an opportunity, an incredible opportunity given to me by God. And I want to bring a lot of young people as much as possible along with me because we are in a situation, we are in days where things are hard and we need to be there for one another. We need to motivate one another. We need to inspire one another. So this is my own platform where I want to help as many people who want to, escape that, unemployment, state or escape the rat race, the 9 to 5 and all of that. Yeah, I'm not a rich guy, but then I'm getting there, and I thank God for what He's doing in my life. But then there are certain things that we need to stick together and learn together. We need to learn high income skills and make good money. And at the center of this all is Jesus, is God. He's the one who has given us the opportunity, the privilege to do what we are doing. So yes, the purpose is to push the kingdom of God forward, and you'll be hearing much of that on this channel. But then also to be able to make money, because we need money to push the kingdom, and we need money to live good lives, right? And so that's what you will see here: digital marketing tips. You'll be hearing about how to make money online, how to be a creator, how to create content, how to take advantage of opportunities of our time. It is not enough to only complain. Let's limit the complaints and let's think about strategies, how we can get ahead. All right. So is it about career? Is it about business? What exactly is it that we want to do? So I'll be giving. I can't begin to list exactly the kind of things I'll be talking about, but they're just many, and I'll be giving you behind the scenes of the things that I'm doing myself, the way I'm building my business, the things that I'm doing, how I'm juggling things together in life and family, in health, relationship, and all of that. I'll be sharing a bit emphasis on all of that. And I'm also going to open up for question and answers. Of course, I want to build a community, people around, the brand. So definitely I will be available for us to have that interactions, live sessions and all of that. So feel free to connect with this channel, click on the subscribe button and become part of this family. And then let's build something amazing together. I look forward to seeing you in the comments, reaching out to me privately so that we have a conversation. Hopefully we get on the phone and talk and get to understand what you're doing and how we can, together move forward. God bless you, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.